beat go humming. Ooh, gonna keep 'em all running till I'm keep up when the bass go drumming. Head turn when I go by, lightning flash, open your eyes. Head turn when I go by, oh my my, look at me. Look at me. You know you love it, gotta see it in color. Turning the kaleidoscope, a little bit of wonder. You know you love it, gotta see it in color. Do you wonder? Look at me. Look at me. Look at me.
End of the night, still trying to keep my eyes low.
Happy birthday, Janelle! Love you!
Spinning my wheels till I'm running out of gasoline. Fooling myself into thinking I could earn something when you've already given me everything.
Happy birthday, Janelle!
So what if it doesn't work out? What if it does?
I'm so proud of you. And gusto ko malaman mo na never mo kong na-fail na i-amaze sa lahat ng bagay na ginagawa mo.
Finding your peace in my surrendering.
Very siya, independent. Kumbaga sa plug and play siya. Pag binigay mo yung isang bagay, alam niya kung paano niya na i-handle. Kung ano yung dumating na problema, bilang magulang, nasa likod niya ako. Ginagay ko pa rin siya.
Makulit talaga si Janelle. Jolly siya, madaldal, gano'n. Hindi naubusan ng kwento.
Waking up now, no fear, knowing you got me. Sun on my face, no place I would rather be.
Elementary pa lang siya, mahanap siya ng mga pagkakakitaan niya. Hanggang sa nagkaroon siya ng sariling business niya, yung Arkins Ice Scramble. Doon din niya nabuo tong debut niya. Halos 1 year in the making, pinag-ipunan niya talaga para maging successful.
Your peace in my surrendering.
So Janelle, here's wishing you a very happy birthday. May you continue to love life and never stop chasing your dreams. Bloom where you are planted. Love you.
You take, I'm walking your way. So what if it doesn't work out? What if it does?
Mapapangako ko lang sa'yo, lagi akong andito para sa'yo bilang kuya mo. Ako yung laging kakampi mo sa lahat.
So what if it doesn't work out? What if it does? Say that it's all for my good. Now I know that it was. I'm finding your peace in my surrendering. 'Cause I don't wanna go where you don't leave. I just wanna be where you want me. You know the ways I'm taking, the steps you take.
Abutin mo ang pangarap mo, magtiwala ka sa sarili mo. At huwag kang matakot magmahal, magkamali, at mag-grow. Nandito lang lagi ang friends and family, kakampi, taga-suporta at taga-dasal. Happy 18th.